The time is here. The time has come. You guys, this is history in the making. RCA, you must be so proud. My MacBook has arrived. All right. This is the official converting from Windows to Apple. I know my Apple people are going to love this. I know my RCA people are going to love this. I still have my Android phone. Don't fight me on that. But I know that Apple is better when it comes to editing. And from the advice of two very favorite Apple friends of mine, I was guided to get this beauty. So we're going to open it together. We're going to dwell on how exciting this is going to be together while I learn how to go Apple from a lifetime of Android and Windows. So let's see. This is a MacBook Pro. You didn't see that. That was my Wacom tablet. I did a lot of early purchasing before the MacBook even showed up. I got my Wacom tablet so that I can keep my other one because I am going to keep my Windows. And I'm thinking maybe I can work at two galleries at once. One on my Windows, one on my Mac. So I got myself another Wacom because my last one I've had for, I don't know, almost 10 years. I got a new SSD drive that'll be only for this. Got myself a wireless mouse for the MacBook. And I also received some AirPods as a gift from Apple. So, MacBook Pro, here she is. I don't even know where to start. I am nervous and excited all at the same time. Ooh-wee. Did that wrong. Dun, 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 dun. This is a 16-inch MacBook Pro. I don't know what else to tell you about it because I don't know. That was not the plug I was expecting. This is different. I thought it was a USB-C. Interesting. Okay. Let's see. Is this like a trick? How do you get this out? You guys. So it begins. And so it begins. I know that whole thing did not just come for these two sheets, but maybe. Welcome to your MacBook Pro. Okay, I don't know where to go from here, so I'm gonna figure all this out. This is big. I'm getting overwhelmed as it is, you guys. That's pretty heavy. Heavy duty. That's probably all that it comes with, isn't it? Sure is. All right. Well, that was exciting. All right. I'll get back to you guys once I start getting this baby set up. Pray for me. I know the learning curve is going to be entertaining. Time will tell.